Welcome everybody. In this presentation, I'm going to explain Eduware's ebook platform as a reader collaborator tool that serves both the student and the teacher. This platform will be referred to as EduBook. Please note that in order for the ebook to be available to students and teachers, it undergoes a process we call author-publisher process, which capabilities are also available within this tool. The author-publisher process is not our focus in this presentation. To start with, the student will be able to download the EduBook reader from a website, usually the App Store. In this case, the Microsoft App Store. The first book that is downloaded automatically is the user manual. This is the user manual that will assist the user in utilizing the EduBook. After registering his tool, the user will be able to download the book of his choice from the bookstore. The user now goes to the bookstore and selects a book from the list and download it. Here the user is going to download a book of his choice with the teacher version. Using this tool, the student can navigate the pages and identify the sections of the book using the table of content, the index. Navigation includes several loading configurations depending on the machine used, its capacity, and content load. Enrichment tags can also be loaded per page or as needed, which will optimize the tool according to use capacity. This tool also helps the student learn more about the enrichment tags associated herein. Let us start by demonstrating the main menu, the starting point to engage the learning process. I will start by the assessment tool. It is a collaborating tool between the student and the teacher. The teacher can assign a homework to his students. The student then can send the homework to his teacher using the assessment tag. Later, the teacher can correct the assignment and grade it and send back to the student. Now, we're going to see how a teacher corrects an assessment to a student. The teacher checks the answer and accordingly will correct. This is a correct answer, wrong answer. This is a question mark and exclamation mark. The teacher then writes down his comments grades the assessment and send back to the student. The teacher can share this information or this assessment with any of his colleagues or students. The Translate is an online Microsoft translator. This is a spotlight. The user can use the spotlight to spot important information. Now, the flashcards. Let us prepare some flashcards. Highlight a paragraph and set as a flashcard. Let's highlight another one. Also set as a flashcard. Now, let us add a sticky note. And write something. Then enlarge the characters. Also set as a flashcard. Let's go back to flashcards. As you see, we have 3 flashcards. We can filter according to type, highlight, sticky note. We can select any of the flashcards or all to share with a student or a teacher and send to the teacher or the student. Here we can write a note with the email and send it. Now let's go to tags. Tags displays the tags of the book. Tags are listed by page. Click on any of the tags and it will take you to the specified page. Teacher tag. A teacher tag is a repository where a teacher adds learning or assessment resources for the student to interact with. Here the teacher is adding a PDF file to his repository and sending it to any of his students or colleagues. Search button. Search will help to look for any text available in the book. Write a text, search, it will take us to the first available word in the book, then to the second. Another word, clicker. Search, it will take us to a PowerPoint about clickers. Now let's go to the next button, highlight. Highlight can be used in different ways. A teacher or student can add a note to describe a highlighted paragraph. Also, can assign an objective. This is how we can assign an objective. And here we can see how the objective is assigned. Also, we can link to a file, website, or page. We can email to a selection of students. We can send also a highlighted paragraph to a whiteboard, which will help the teacher in the classroom to elaborate more on a projector screen. The teacher can draw, add lines, circles, write text, rectangles, draw rectangles, use an eraser, can clear the whole screen, and also can send to OneNote. The next button is the page mark. We can mark different pages of the book using the page mark. Here, another page mark. Now we can go to show page marks. It shows us the marked pages and clicking on any of them will take you to the specified marked page. Bookmark. We can have only one bookmark for each book. A new bookmark will delete the old bookmark. The last button is the print. We can only print pages that has a print mark on the top of the page. Pages with no print mark cannot be printed. Now let us start navigating the enrichment tags of the ebook. This is a video embedded on the page. We can see it in small version or in big version. Here is an attachment for a flash explaining about the structure of the earth. This is an attachment PDF. We can add any attachments: Word, Excel, PDF. This is an objective related to the lesson or to this section. This is also an embedded medium. Another flash attachment. Picture related to the subject on the page. Website. Video. This is an embedded attached video. This will take us to the internet, to a website related to the book subjects. These are also objectives related each to the paragraph. Here is an exercise page where the student can answer the questions. This is a multiple choice. This is an interactive multiple choice which shows the student if it is a wrong or a right answer. These are answer boxes where the student can write his answers. This is more exercise pages. Now we're going to the last enrichment tag, flipping images. We can see them embedded or in a big screen. These are the flipping images. Finally, we're going to talk about clickers. This is a presentation about clickers. Teacher can use the clickers to prepare different kinds of quizzes, multiple choice, true or false, and short answer questions. This is a multiple choice question with timer and reward comment. Teacher assigns a room. The students then join the room. Teacher selects a predefined activity. This is a student screen for true or false. Another screen for multiple choice. This is a multiple choice result page for right, false, and no answer. Summary page for student results, and a detailed result screen for all.